और जनाब, तुम्हारा तो प्रमोशन हो गया है, क्या चल रहा है?
मेरा तो चैट जीपीटी और एआई टूल चल रहा है।
ये यूज करके तुम्हारा प्रमोशन हो गया है?
हाँ,
मुझे भी सिखा सकते हो?
एब्सोल्युटली आई कैन।
As an IT professional or digital marketer or student, and irrespective of your profession, you can use ChatGPT as your tutor or mentor. So mainly ChatGPT gives an answer based on the accuracy of your prompts. And if you don't know what is prompts, then the prompts is nothing but the textual inputs, that is questions or instructions that you give or enter into ChatGPT to get responses. Alright, now let's explore effective prompt templates and examples for getting mentored from ChatGPT. Basically, the normal tutor, what he does when you have to learn about some particular concept or topic, what he will guide you, right? So first he will tell what you have to study and how you have to study, and later on he will also give you a required resources for you, right? So all these things, now let's take it from our ChatGPT mentor, right? So let's see how it goes. So first prompt will be like this. So the prompt will be like this. I want to learn about, in a bracket, topic name. Full stop. Tell me the most critical 20% that will help me understand 80%. So basically this is a principle of Pareto, right? So in this principle, it says that when you learn the 20% of a particular topic, you will get to know or you will understand the remaining 80% of the concept, right? So this is what the power of Pareto principle. Alright, so now instead of this topic name, I will just take an example. So this is basically a template, right? So now as an example, I will take digital marketing. So now I want to learn a digital marketing from our mentor ChatGPT. So let me place a topic name as digital marketing. And now let's see how this goes. And alright, here we go. See, look at this, guys. So this is a 20% of concepts which makes us understand the 80% of the concept. So these are the main things. So website and landing pages, content marketing, SEO, paid advertising, like we call it as a pay-per-click, right? So yeah, even it's here. So pay-per-click. These are all the major things we have to cover it under digital marketing. So these are all the major things we have to study. So yeah, by this you can use this template for as a default, and you can change the concept which you have to particularly study about. Now our mentor has told us the very important concepts comes under digital marketing, right? So now let's ask our mentor ChatGPT to prepare a 1 month plan for us to how to prepare being a beginner for digital marketing, right? So here the prompt is, hey ChatGPT, you are a highly qualified and experienced digital marketing mentor and provide me a 1 month beginner friendly timetable to learn digital marketing skills. Alright, this is a prompt 2 which I am giving. So you can use this as a template where you can change a particular subject you want to study about or the particular topic you have to read about. So now let's click on enter and let's see how our mentor ChatGPT gives us a 1 month beginner friendly timetable. And here we go. Our mentor ChatGPT has successfully given us 1 month plan. So how we have to prepare for digital marketing skills being a beginner, right? So in the first week we have got a task of completing researching, and we have to learn fundamentals, right? And we have to know something like WordPress and Wix to build a digital marketing, right? So yeah, this is how it goes on. And now let's say we have to learn a particular concept of day one. Now that you have seen the incredible potential of AI tools in action, why are you waiting? Take the first step towards mastering AI tools and prompt engineering skills with Be10x. We offer in-depth workshops on AI tools for just Rs 9. And in this workshop, you will be mentored by two alumni of IIT Kharagpur. That's right, a small investment for a big leap in your knowledge. Click the link in the description to access our workshops and unlock your AI potential today. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Start your AI journey with Be10x now. So now we have a third prompt where we get to know about our resources where we can get our in-depth concepts which have been stated by ChatGPT, right? So let's try it out. A third prompt which we have to use to get resources for us, and the prompt goes like this: suggest me some of the highly rated resources which are available for free to master our digital marketing. All right, this is a prompt 3, and you can use this as a template by just changing a topic name, right? Based on your convenience and your requirement, you can change the topic name. All right, now let's click on enter and see the miracle. And all right, guys, we have got n number of platforms where we can access to the digital marketing courses and also the resources required. So these all some of the platforms which can help us in getting skills of digital marketing. Thank you for watching the video, guys. Let's see in the next video.